Telescoping gauges are used to determine the width of a hole, slot, or recess. As a transfer gauge, it captures a dimension that is then measured with a separate tool. Today we will feature the 229B. Its measurement range is from 3/4 to 1 1/4 inches, or 19 to 32 millimeters. A vertical handle is attached to both rigid and spring tension telescoping contact arms. The ends of both contacts are hardened and ground to a radius less than the low end of its range. Using the length of its handle, it can determine a diameter at a point well below the part surface. Let's try out the 229B to measure the diameter of a hole at a depth of about 2 inches. A quick measurement with a rule determines that the hole size is a little over an inch. Squeeze the gauge closed to a bit less than the hole size. Hold the gauge at a slight angle and insert it to a depth of about 2 inches. Then, rock the gauge slightly to ensure full contact at the smallest diameter. As soon as you rock past that point, the gauge will loosen. Tighten the knob and tilt the handle until contact is released. Carefully pull it out of the hole. Now, measure the distance from contact to contact with a 1 to 2 inch micrometer. We can see the diameter is 1.061. Or, measuring with a 25 to 50 millimeter micrometer, we determine that the metric size is 26.95 millimeters. The 229B is the second smallest in a set of 5 gauges with a combined range of 1/2 to 6 inches or 13 to 150 millimeters. With a bit of practice, the simple telescoping gauge can be accurate to less than 1/1000th of an inch or 0.025 millimeters.